Okay, so here I am on the Wye River in Herefordshire. What I want to show you is a meander bend. It's got all the classic features here. You'll notice I'm standing on some material. This is what we call sediment. In this case it's kind of fairly large stones. And they've been put here, or deposited here, because there's low energy. The water is very slow moving. So this is what we call the inside bend of a meander, where we've got a slip-off slope and material is deposited. What I'm going to attempt to do now is to cross the river, and you'll see that the profile of the river bed goes from shallow to deep, closer to the other side, where we have, as you can see, a river cliff, where lots of erosion is happening because the water is much faster and therefore wearing away that bank over there. So I'm going to walk for a bit and then swim a bit frantically to show you the fact that it goes from shallow on the inside bend with low energy to deep and fast on the outside bend where it's high energy, also known as the foul way. Okay, wish me luck, although I have got a buoy to sit on. So getting deeper, still not much current though, so material would still be deposited here, as you can see, quite large material. Beginning to feel the current now on my legs, and suddenly it will pick me up and I'll need to swim quite quickly. So only just on tiptoes now. Okay, and I could just about stand here now because, as you can see, the river actually isn't very full. If the river was in flood, the water would be right up to the top there and I would have no chance. So what's happening in a full river is this bank is being worn away by abrasion and it is being pushed back and back. So the whole meander will actually migrate into the field behind me. I just want to scamper up here and show you something else. You can see these clumps of grass, they used to be up there. But as the material underneath is worn away, it undercuts the roots. And then eventually the cliff collapses and then gets swept away in the current. So I can show you that undercut up there. Oh God! Treacherous. You can see here, it's really cutting underneath the material. Get underneath it. Undercut! And this is what we would call an overhang, because it's hanging over. There you go. All that I need to do now is manage to get back. You see what I do to get geography into your head.